Here's the thing about prepping films, everyone does it differently. Some directors sketch diagrams on paper, some DPs shot list in a spreadsheet. Most of us end up with references scattered across different folders and using 5 or 6 different apps. ShotPad puts all of that in one place. Let me show you. Create a new project, give it a name. You're straight into your first scene. Every scene has its own canvas. That's this overhead view of your set. If you've ever drawn a top-down blocking diagram on paper or in Photoshop, this is the same idea. Drop a camera onto the canvas. That's it, you've created your first shot. Add details to the shot and it carries through everywhere else in the app. You can set your shot name, add a description, whatever you need. But first, let's build out the scene a bit. Add your actors, add lights, set dressing, whatever you need to communicate the setup. You can draw walls, place furniture, add as much or as little detail as you want. The point is that anyone looking at this can immediately understand what's happening in this scene spatially. ShotPad is full of delightful little tools that make your life easier. Set your focal length, say a 35mm, and we can turn on this field of view cone showing us exactly what the camera sees from that position. Switch to a different lens, the cone changes. This is calculated from real sensor data, not just a rough guide. And if you have your top-down diagram from the art department, everything is to scale. Now we have our blocking diagram, all our creative info, and our shot list all in one view. Many of us use lots of visual references, a frame from a film you're referencing for a lighting, mood, or a location photo. You can drop them straight onto the shot. They always live with the shot, not in a separate folder somewhere. When you're on set trying to remember what you were going for, it's right there. Each scene is its own canvas. Add a new scene and you've got a fresh overhead view for a completely different set. Your whole shoot lives in one project, scene 1 through scene 100, each with its own blocking, its own shots, its own references. Now here's the thing that changes how you work. Share this project with your DP, your camera operator, your AD, anyone on the crew. They open the same project and they see exactly what you see. If you're a DOP, your director does a blocking pass, you come in and add your cameras and lighting. Your operator can see the setup before they arrive on set. Your AD knows the shot count for the day. It's not a PDF you're emailing around, it's a living plan everyone's working from. And when someone makes a change, everyone sees it. That's the basics. Your overhead plan, your shots, your references, your crew, all in one place. There's a lot more. Scheduling, equipment tracking, on-set tools, importing scripts, and I'll cover all of that in the next videos. But this is where it starts. One project, your whole crew, always in sync. Links in the description. Get your crew on ShotPad.